Hello, everybody. Today, whew, we are looking at this. This is a USB Type-C to 3 USB plus a USB Type-C in. So, let's see if this works with the Note 7. Okay, so, now let me turn on the light. That looks better. So we are on my nightstand. This is a USB Type-C power in. So just to show you. And we are fast charging. So this is a fast charging USB Type-C connected to my charger over here. So, I've never tried it with 3 USBs. I've only ever tried it with that guy. These are both formatted for Mac. So, they're here. I'm not sure if they'll show up. But it's worth a test, so let's find out. So, plug these in here. There we go. And we have flashing lights. So, there you can see, unsupported USB, and, oh, you can't see them flash. There. I turned the screen red, but by God, you could see them. There you go. So, you can see, everything is on and working. Hold on. Well, actually, let me just do this on the fly. Try to, at least. Come on. Oh, get in the hole. Hold on. Damn it. Okay. So, that took a little effort because that USB drive is a little big. But, if we go ahead and unlock it here, you can see all 3 drives and... damn it! It is now slow charging. Look at that. Nice and slow. But it is charging. So that's not terrible. Especially when you consider we have 3 USBs plugged in. Okay, so right now, I'm doing a read test on that USB, this micro SD card. But I want to see if it reads faster or slower, depending on if it's in a 2.0 or, as you can see, 3.1 port. Just curiosity, this is a 3.0 card reader. So, I will be back when it's done. Okay, so as you can see, the middle one here is the SD card, and it read at 31 megabytes a second, and might as well say 18 megs, right? Now, let's move it to USB Type 3 and see if it reads any faster. Okay, so it's still the same card, the middle one, but this time it read at 45 megs and 19 meg right. So, pretty big jump. Just switching from USB 2 to USB 3. So, yeah. That little thing works really well. This is marketed as a MacBook accessory, but I wanted to try it out on the Note 7, and it works really, really well. Now let's see if I can open it. Okay, so I did a little studying and I tried to open it forcefully. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. So, yeah, you can. You can see where I've pried on it and stuff. Well, at the corners, it was really, really tight. So I changed how I approached it, and I took a little pick, and look at that. This has a fake face on it. So let me pull this off, because behind that is 2 screws. So let me take those 2 screws out, and I'll be back. There you go, real fast. There is the screws. Okay, so here is the board. I had to take off 2 more screws, but that exposed the whole board. As you can see, manufacturing date 8/1/2016. Really? Version 2 7/7/16. Alright, so fairly new. We have a, what are you? Yep. Upside down. LDR 6023 162704. That's probably our USB controller. And then we have an 8-pin next to a choke. There's all our data lines and everything. Our USB ports. And then on this side we have a 16-pin chip. If you can see that. I'm shaking too much to read it. So here is our power. At least that's what it looks like to me, is power in here. And then gets distributed to the chip and all of the ports. Comes through here into that. Yeah, interesting. Sorry I have fixed focus right now. That's really about it. And then it has a nice little cage that it goes in. Yeah, so that is, I don't even know what the name of this is. Well, this is an LMS PD US, wow, hub version 2. We got a ground point test point, a V-bus test point, a couple other test points. Interesting little board. The actual name will be in the title, of course, because I can't think of it right now. It didn't. Oh, it come in a bag, I do believe. No, it come in a box. Oh well, box is downstairs. I'm lazy. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, unfocus. Hit that like button. If you really like the video, subscribe. And what else? You'll see me in the next one. So if you're new to this channel, yes, I put everything back together and make sure it still works, because I didn't do anything. I just took it apart. So, thanks for watching.